Welcome back to CarOg 765, the channel where we bring classic machines back to life and celebrate the greatest vehicles ever built. If you love vintage vans, custom rides, American classics, and automotive history, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss another legendary build. Today, we're taking a deep look at one of the coolest custom vans to ever hit the streets, the 1972 Custom Ford E300 Chopped van. This machine is not just transportation. It's a rolling piece of American culture, a symbol of freedom, creativity, and pure custom style. Back in the 1970s, vans became more than work vehicles. They became personal statements. People customized them with wild paint jobs, murals, shag carpet interiors, chrome wheels, side pipes, and custom roofs. And among all those builds, the Ford E300 stood out as one of the toughest and most respected full-size vans on the road. The 1972 Ford E300 was originally designed as a heavy-duty van for cargo hauling and passenger use. But custom builders quickly realized it had massive potential. Its strong body, long wheelbase, and powerful engine options made it the perfect canvas for customization. The chopped version took things even further. By lowering the roofline and reshaping the body, builders transformed this big utility van into a street machine with attitude. The first thing that grabs your attention about a chopped Ford E300 is the aggressive appearance. The lowered roof gives the van a sleek and intimidating stance. It looks longer, lower, and faster even while standing still. Combined with custom paint, wide wheels, and chrome accessories, the van instantly becomes a head-turner. In the 1970s and early 1980s, these custom vans were stars at car shows across America. Enthusiasts spent countless hours turning ordinary vans into rolling works of art. The front end of the 1972 E300 has a classic Ford design that perfectly represents the era. The large grille, round headlights, and bold body lines give it a tough and muscular personality. Many custom builders added chrome bumpers, fog lights, custom grills, and airbrushed murals to create a truly one-of-a-kind machine. Some even installed sun visors and side-mounted exhaust pipes to increase the dramatic look. One of the best parts about these vans is the creativity. No two chopped vans were exactly alike. Owners treated them like personal projects and expressions of style. Some went for psychedelic paint themes inspired by the 70s culture, while others created luxury interiors with captain chairs, mini bars, televisions, and custom lighting. It was the golden age of van culture, and the Ford E300 was right in the middle of it. Under the hood, the 1972 Ford E300 offered several powerful V8 engine options. Many came equipped with Ford's reliable big block engines that delivered strong torque and dependable performance. These vans were heavy, but the V8 power gave them excellent pulling capability and highway strength. The sound of a classic Ford V8 coming from a chopped custom van is unforgettable. It's deep, loud, and full of character. Driving a chopped van from this era is a completely different experience compared to modern vehicles. There are no touchscreens, no driver assists, and no digital displays. Instead, you get a massive steering wheel, old-school gauges, and the feeling of pure mechanical connection. You hear the engine, feel the road, and enjoy every second behind the wheel. That raw driving experience is exactly why so many collectors still love these classic vans today. Inside the van, comfort and style often became more important than practicality. Custom interiors could include plush carpeting, wood trim, custom stereos, mood lighting, and even beds in the back. Some owners turned their vans into traveling party rooms, while others used them for camping adventures across America. The van life trend that people talk about today actually has roots in builds like the 1972 Ford E300 Chopped van. Another reason these vans remain popular is their rarity. Many original chopped customs disappeared over time due to rust, accidents, or neglect. Finding a clean and properly preserved 1972 chopped E300 today is becoming increasingly difficult. That makes surviving examples highly respected among collectors and vintage van enthusiasts. At classic car shows, these vans attract huge attention because they represent a unique period in automotive history. The Ford E300 also became famous in magazines, movies, and pop culture during the custom van craze. It symbolized freedom, individuality, and adventure. Whether parked at the beach, cruising down the highway, or sitting under bright lights at a car show, these vans always carried a cool and rebellious energy. What makes this van especially special is the craftsmanship involved in chopping the roof. This modification required serious skill. Builders had to carefully cut and reshape the roof while maintaining structural strength and smooth body lines. When done correctly, the results looked incredible. The van gained a completely different personality, almost like a custom concept vehicle built by a professional design studio. Today, enthusiasts continue restoring and preserving these legendary vans. Some keep them fully period correct with vintage paint schemes and original interiors, while others modernize them with upgraded suspension, modern audio systems, and improved engines. No matter the approach, the spirit of the custom van culture remains alive. The 1972 Custom Ford E300 Chopped van is more than an old vehicle. It's a statement from a golden era of American customization. It reminds us of a time when creativity ruled the streets and car culture was all about personality and imagination. Every detail tells a story, from the chopped roof to the roaring V8 engine and custom interior. If you're a fan of classic American vans, custom builds, or vintage automotive culture, the 1972 Ford E300 Chopped van deserves your respect. It's bold, unique, unforgettable, and full of character that modern vehicles simply cannot match. Thanks for watching Car AUG 765. If you enjoyed this video and love classic vans and legendary American vehicles, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment about your favorite custom van of all time. See you in the next video.